What if your campaign could be created in minutes, modular, interchangeable, and ready to launch straight away? Let me show you how. Right then, let me begin with something impressive. I'm logged into Gemstore at the moment, and I'm going to build a complete online shop from scratch, live. No coding, no design skills, no complicated setups required. So when it asks here, what kind of products are you planning to sell? You've got digital products, dropshipping products, products I make myself. Or it could be that I'll decide later. But for this example, we're just going to choose digital products, and we'll go with design using AI because I want to show you just how good the AI actually is. So I'm just going to drop a picture in here. It's a nice pair of headphones. So we're just going to click continue and let the AI do its thing. And just like that, within seconds, I've got a fully designed shop ready to sell products. That's a big idea behind Gemstore. It removes the technical barrier and allows anyone to launch an e-commerce business almost instantly. This isn't a long process. It's quick, it's simple, and it's made for everyday people. Now, let's zoom out for a moment and take a look at what Gemstore actually is. At first glance, it looks like a shop builder, but it's much more than that. Inside Gemstore, you're not just getting a website, you're getting an entire AI-powered business system. You've got AI agents for launching your shop, for supporting customers, for analysing performance, and even creating products. Everything is managed in one place. So instead of needing a designer, a copywriter, a customer support team, and multiple software tools, Gemstore acts as an all-in-one AI team working behind the scenes. Can you help me find suppliers and products? So this is where it gets interesting. Let me show you the AI agents actually doing the work. So first, the launch agent. I click here and it helps to find suppliers and products automatically. No manual research needed. So you can see here, it's brought up an analysis result. So based on the information provided, I've automatically organized the relevant configurations for you. So from this, we're just going to click OK, continue, and it's going to bring up some more information for me. You can see the AI at work here. It's building this out for me. And you can see it as recommended products for me to use on my website. You've got this, you've got more digital products down here. There's just quite a lot to choose from. And it's really nice to have an AI agent that actually brings this up for me. Next is the support agent. So imagine a customer asks a question at 2 a.m. Instead of you having to answer, the AI responds instantly. As one of the big perks of this, you've got AI that can respond for you. Then we have the design agent. This agent creates professional store visuals and layouts that match your brand style, so your shop actually looks like a real established business. And finally, you have the product agent. I can ask it to generate product descriptions for me, marketing copy, and campaign text automatically. So instead of hiring multiple people, you've basically got an AI workforce running your shop. As I mentioned earlier, obviously one of the main things about this is you've got the current theme. Now, if you want to develop those further, you do have these options where you can add them. And these are different themes that you can have for your shop. So if there's one in particular that you like, just select it and your shop will then take on that appearance. Now, you can also add blog posts. You can have pages, you can have menus, just preferences. Then, when you obviously get down to the dropshipping side of things, you've got the whole marketplace. And this is obviously where you can find the different products to have on your website. There's print on demand. You can see the balance and things that you have. And obviously, there's a bit more in the settings that you can really get into. The marketing side of things is, of course, very important now, because this is how you advertise your actual page. Now, there's a whole marketing center. You can obviously create email campaigns, social media posts, and marketing automation. This is arguably the most important one, because obviously you could sit there all day typing out different ways to try and get people through emails and things like that. But if you've got automated marketing generation, then the follow-up is so easy. It's automated and it saves you so much hassle. Anyone who is successful in this area knows they have marketing automation. Now, there's also SMS marketing. Personally, I'm all about social media and emails. And then obviously they've got the marketing apps that you can install as well. Now, it's super easy to create email campaigns, to set up the marketing automation. So if you just go into create email campaigns, you can see it's got templates already for you to choose from. You can go for a newsletter style. You can just go for a regular letter. You can go for holiday themes. You can do announcements. There's so much there for you. And obviously social media, that's a very important one for you to get a handle on. Now, one of the important bits is obviously the sales channel. You've got Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube, TikTok. Now, you can have live chat, obviously the notifications, and it basically has everything you need to sort of get people to reach out to you. And obviously you can enable the GenStore AI, which will basically do all of this for you. And then obviously with the analytics, you have the dashboard. It shows the sessions, the add to cart sessions, checkout sessions, order sessions, and then your sales overview. So it's gross sales, discounts, returns, net sales, shipping, return fee, taxes, total sales. Then obviously with the analytics, it shows an overview, the online shop conversion. It shows sessions, add to cart sessions, checkout sessions, order sessions, goes into sales overview, gross sales, discounts, returns, net sales, shipping, return fees, and then top 20 products by sale, sales by channel, sales by traffic referrer. Basically breaks down every aspect to your sales you could ask for. Now, this is obviously the final, template that it gave me. Once you sort of develop it yourself, you'll have a fully working website with everything you need. You can just click into them and you can just see exactly what's going on. You can go into your collections and you can see, you may also like top picks for music levels. It's basically got everything you need. I can't really argue with it. Think about what this replaces. Normally, you need a website builder, a support tool, a product research tool, a designer, and analytics software. That's 5, 6, 7 different apps. With GenStore, it's all inside one platform. Less stress, less time wasted, and a much faster path, from your idea to a real online business. So whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced seller, this gives you a massive head start. GenStore is perfect for solopreneurs and creators who want to launch their own merch or online shop without needing a full team. You get access to thousands of ready-made templates, so your designs look professional from day one, even if you've got no design experience at all. Plus, millions of built-in dropshipping products mean you can start selling straight away without worrying about stock or logistics. And for creators, there are strong long-term affiliate opportunities, allowing you to earn recurring income by promoting the platform to your audience. Stop trying to run your business on your own. Launch with GenStore today and let your AI team take care of the hard work.